just got the new 12 scale earth digger hydraulic excavator from RC4WD. Can't wait to open it. After removing the packaging foam, you can see the remote control and the instructions. And here comes the moment of truth. First impression, it's massive. A bit on the heavy side, but it looks awesome and the scale details are very finely tuned. A lot of attention and detail definitely went into making this. It comes with the multifunctional remote control. First step, let's install the module in the back of the radio. And here are the 8 AA batteries required for the remote control. They have a discharge power of 25C and 5200 milliamp power. Now let's get them in the remote control and the excavator and move to the next step. Okay, let's see here. The instruction manual says we need to inject either number 22 or number 32 hydraulic oil prior to installing the batteries. So how do you know which one to use? Well, it really depends on the weather. If it's cold, use S2V15. Otherwise, use DTE24V32. For more information, check out the RC4WD website. For the oil, turn the knob counterclockwise to open and access the oil drum. Once it's open, you can start adding the oil step by step. Remember to turn the lock valve as you pour the oil in to remove excess air. And once it's done, place the tubing back. Let's turn on the remote control. And also, as the manual already mentioned, you're going to hear the error alarm sound, which is going to make a beeping noise. This can be eliminated once you turn the switches back to one place immediately. If you start to operate the excavator and notice it isn't working smoothly, try adding a bit more oil. And this is the 3S LiPo that you'll need. Ready to test it? Here's the button to control the lights. And now let's open the hydraulic pump with the switch that is located on the upper left side near the back of the radio. Now you can see it start to tremble because there's some air inside the tubing. Don't worry, you can eliminate the air inside by continuously working the arm up and down 3 or 4 times. Also, keep an eye out because each kit has its own serial number. And to locate it, check the rear position of the chassis. Alright, time to show you guys how to fully operate this baby. And now, pay close attention to my remote control commands and the movement of the excavator. Big arm up and down. Small arm up and down. Using the bucket for unloading and loading. Body rotation. Moving forward. Moving backwards. The main body can be rotated 360 degrees with multiple turns. And this marks the end of our video. Now remember to turn off the pump, unplug the battery, and turn off the radio. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.